Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set dark theme on Instagram. Now let's get started. If you wanna make your Instagram dark like this, it's so pretty simple. So you just click on the three lights icon at the top. And after this, in here you just click on the setting. And then after this, in here you just click on the theme. Click on it. And in here, if your Instagram at like this, you can click on the dark, this one. You can click this button until a blue like this, and after this your Instagram change with a dark theme. So that's how to change dark theme on Instagram apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.